Gary and Brooks and Dunn.
Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, but
Look at that Tom. Look at old Tom in there. What are we doing here? And the little Levi on the job, ready to go. Ready to go work. Alright, let's roll these windows up because it's going to rain all day. Beautiful this summer. Whoa, what's going on? Why you gotta go that far? Stay right there. I put the keys in the center. And this is what it looks like before. And that's the new stuff. And there's a tent set up. Got all this good stuff.
yeah.
It's coming out.
Let that soak.
Let that soak.
This came right from the same factory as that cheese that doesn't melt. Came from Mexico.
pretty sure that's gonna be 4 horizontal.
Still icing down. Sandals. It's all disconnected. Gotta cool down. And then it can be taken out.
You see it raining, double check everybody's vehicle, make sure we ain't got no doors open.
Uh-oh.
Pretty good, it's not away from the house slightly. What else? What's the other one? Go the other way?
Hey, boy. What made you sick feeding you all that stuff last night, huh?
Well, you should have ate your croissant yesterday morning.
Huh?
I got it for you. You should have ate it.
I know.
Yeah, see it all yellow on it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Die.
dripped it all over.
You gonna die?
No, I'm gonna glow in the dark. Big time.
Yeah, that UV light on.
He's
Did it
staying.
come out there or did it come out of the pipe?
It came out of the pipe.
Okay. I was wondering where the leak was.
Well, now there's dye everywhere, so it's gonna be.
Look like baby throw up.
Mm-hmm. Over here. There you go.
Doesn't that look like lizards down in there?
Oh, it's just
Well, don't get it all over the floor, babe.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is lizards.
Had a whole family of them barbecued in there.
Poor little lizard.
Oh yeah.
Poor lizards.
Right. Whole family of lizards in the flue pipe. Barbecued.
Really?
Jeez. That's funny.
Yeah, I think he has this stuff. He saves it up there. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay.
I'm gonna save that because I gotta figure out why they did that.
The night that it got cold, they got in there and you turned the heat on and they fried.
Yep. Backwards.
Smith.
Yeah, that stuff will catch you.
Looks good. I think you're gonna have to cut
How do you
one
feel
out.
about sealing that?
Duckboard on the inside. Lock this baby in place. Yes. Table stick. Might ought to let that one dry.
With some wood or?
I think it's gonna be level because they didn't get it in the back. I have to put a. Got a blob there.
Come over here. Come over here. Stay out of the way. Right there. Sit. 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 Sit, Levi.
Call him the Crooked Carpenter. All of it except for this one.
It's such a tall, skinny, lanky, little redheaded pumpkinhead freak. We thought he was gonna be real soft, but he's gotten a little tougher. The other day, he got him up outside the house playing sports instead of playing sports on the actual video game. You like that better?
I like that better.
Was it just all good?
Yep. I can actually.
I got the filter dryer outside, FYI.
Okay.
What's going on there?
It wasn't level.
Wasn't level.
It's level now.
Hours of driving last month at like 48 hours. It keeps track of all that.
Huh.
I said, huh, let me go back. So I went back.
Is that an
a
office
year
in there?
later.
Cut me melons 28 1/4 by 4.
Okay, my head's stuck. My ear's stuck.
Oh, it popped out.
Did you see my ear pop out?
And 1/4. Let's back this up a little.
Mm-hmm.
Probably need to level. Get that seam. That should be good.
Mm-hmm.
Look now.
So
Oh,
you gotta be on the left.
I'm not liking how that truck's going line up.
All right, so need me to just hold on to this back
No. Probably once we get it up there.
on the other back side, you can push it forward.
Let me think of that. Hold on to it just for a second. I'm gonna get that lift bent back down.
Yeah, then you can slide it right there.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a fight. You ready? Yep. Hold on.
That's pretty good.
All right, you may have to get on the ladder.
You got it?
Yep.
There you go.
All right, we got to pick up on that other side or something. Better not. To get it over that other lip.
Yeah, we're past it.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Right here.
Left top.
Not need a cruise. Yeah, that's nice. What I like. I don't even see my crow's foot.
Yep.
Is it there?
Yep.
I'm not liking that. That's all. That's what I was gonna do.
There you go.
I was gonna.
That's much better than what we had, huh?
Getting closer.
Not here. We don't even have to cut the bottom out, it looks like.
You need a hand up there, boss?
No.
Are you sure? It'll be kind of hard now that Ryan's painted the whole thing.
Good. I'm almost done.
My niece. And she still wouldn't leave him alone.
Did you find that door flying out?
Yeah, it's crazy. My also number, everything's upside down. Only
Oh.
thing right side up is this number.
If it makes you feel any better, I think the other coil was inverted too.
Which
The one we took out. I'm pretty sure that one was
one? It
inverted.
was a V.
Oh,
It was
like
like a
a,
waffle. I just ain't getting the drain on this. Yeah, feeling like a V.
Want your wet rag?
yes ma'am.
Pretty soaked. A little pretty soaked.
A little bit.
That's
Take some
what-
of that water. Oh, hey, that was thin rag. Just so you know. Alright, I'll leave that up there so if you want to touch it or anything.
I'll get us, put on that. Go ahead and get that elbow done, then we'll get.
Piece of 7/8.
Yeah, that thing's yucky.
Let me get this down anyway.
Come up here. Get out the way.
You got a good hose out here, don't
Yeah, the one there on the side of the house.
you? Take this one.
Ready? There comes some stuff already.
Did you kick the hose on?
Think so. Yeah, he's got.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
I didn't want to get Philip enough.
Should we move that fill piece thing?
Move what?
You don't want it to get flooded. Man, that stuff cleans it out.
Ooh, ooh, brown.
Yeah, and then there'll be like,
doo-doo.
yeah. That's a
Probably
push.
not as good as it's gonna get.
Give it a minute. That what happened with the William job. and then it started shooting out some orange pieces and some real long, slimy looking pieces. But, looks pretty good. I don't see anything else.
All right.
Yep, that's okay.
What did it look like?
You'll see it in the video.
Yeah, it looked like you was washing.
Oh man,
Thing
Bobby!
is still there.
It hasn't moved all day.
Every time you hit it, it still stays there.
I'm gonna need a regular one over there.
Ain't nothing but a bondo spreader.
Yep.
Many of these.
Cork tape?
Cork tape.
Yep, put all the screws in. Stick right on.
You ain't been back behind me then, have you?
No. It is. 'Cause as soon as you hear that thing go,
Yeah.
it's good. Unless it ain't because it went crooked or something. Like that one.
It does look crooked. Maybe it's just because of that water pipe.
I think it is.
I think it will. Oh, that's good sticking stuff. You even put mastic on the backs.
Not like. This side right here is going to be the most important. One more. Should be good. Yeah, you got it good and thick, but it didn't feel up enough. See it right there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Your coil information is going to be on.
Books go in. Alright, so we gotta figure out something with that flue pipe. Alright, so the only thing we're gonna be able to do is change that. I need a piece of 4" longer. Oh.
Want me to stand on this side?
No.